Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed.
Okay, here is a picture of a rotation that has taken place with rectangle ABCD. It's been rotated 90 degrees clockwise to form rectangle A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. And we're going to label the pieces to this. And it's been rotated around this dot. And that dot, or that point, is called the center of rotation. This is, what are we rotating around? 90 degrees tells us the degrees of rotation. How far will the shape be rotated? This arrow tells us the direction of the rotation. It tells us, do I go left or do I go right? Now, if you go in the way the clock runs, it's called clockwise. If you go opposite of that, it is called counterclockwise. So how do we do all of this? Well, the first step would be to plot the points to make the original shape. Step 2 is to picture in your mind where the image should be located. And then you have to determine the exact points. So I'm going to set up an X and Y. If we have point A and it is XY, they're both positive, and we rotate it 90 degrees clockwise, we would get point A prime, which would be X negative Y. So if you start out with a point that is positive 1 and positive 2, and you rotate it 90 degrees clockwise, you would get positive 1 and negative 2. If we rotate point A 180 degrees, and this says clockwise, but it would be the same for counterclockwise, you would get A double prime located at negative X, negative Y. If we rotate it 270 degrees clockwise, we would get A triple prime located at negative X, positive Y. And this is extremely important for you to remember that 90 degrees counterclockwise is the same thing as 270 degrees clockwise. Just like 270 degrees clockwise is the same, or counterclockwise is the same thing as 90 degrees clockwise. And finally, step 4, plot the points of the image